Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to change screen timeout in Samsung phone. So let us start our video. Move on the setting icon first. After that you will see many options. Scroll up and here you will see display option. You have to click on the display. After that scroll up and here you will see screen timeout. Click on the screen timeout. After that you will see many timeout. Choose a timer which you want to change. I want 5 minutes, so click on that. After that click on the back option. It means that our screen is automatically off after 5 minutes of inactivity. So I hope this video helps you to set screen timeout in your mobile phone. So change screen timeout in your mobile phone. If this video helps you, so please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video. And if you want to know about any function of mobile phone or PC, so please comment us. Thank you so much for watching our video.